You can have impressive muscles, yet still struggle with stiff joints, limited mobility, and movements that place your body under real physical demands. Or, you might not look exceptionally muscular, yet possess a body that's remarkably tough and capable across a wide variety of movements. This is the idea behind the iron body. For centuries, Shaolin practitioners pursued much more than muscular strength. They always had the goal to build a body that is all-powerful, durable, and capable under almost any physical demand. So today we'll give a breakdown on the iron body and how you can begin developing one yourself. Focus until the end. An iron body is the result of developing the physical qualities that allow you to both generate force and absorb it, move with complete efficiency, and keep the resilience with time. That is because it combines a precious group of athletic qualities working together, starting with structural strength. Strength is only useful if your body can transfer it efficiently. Structural strength allows the entire body to function as one connected chain, reducing energy loss while improving force production and joint stability. Resilient connective tissue, tendons, ligaments, and fascia provide the framework that supports movement. They improve force transfer, stabilize joints, and help the body tolerate repeated physical stress over many years. Bodyweight mastery. Real strength includes the ability to control your own body. Balance, coordination, posture, and movement precision allow strength to be expressed efficiently under changing conditions. Mobility under strength. The iron body is strong throughout a full range of motion. Developing strength in deep positions produces joints that remain stable, capable, and adaptable. And efficient movement. The highest level of physical performance isn't created by maximum effort, it's created by minimizing wasted effort. Efficient movement conserves energy and allows the body to perform demanding tasks repeatedly without unnecessary fatigue. So building an iron body means improving far more than muscles. Over time, your nervous system becomes more coordinated, your connective tissues adapt to greater loads, your bones respond by becoming stronger, and your movement patterns become more efficient. Your body gradually learns to operate as one coordinated system. That's the foundation of long-term athletic performance. So how to build it? Instead of chasing a single training method, build every week around the 5 pillars. Develop structural strength through compound bodyweight exercises. Strengthen connective tissue with controlled loading, isometrics, and hanging variations. Improve body control with crawls and balance work. Train mobility by strengthening your deepest ranges of motion. And refine movement efficiency by prioritizing precision and coordination over unnecessary effort. No single exercise creates an iron body. Consistent exposure to all 5 qualities does. Common mistakes. Don't mistake muscular size for complete physical capability. Don't reduce the iron body to impact conditioning alone. Avoid neglecting mobility, body control, or connective tissue while focusing only on strength. And remember that lasting physical capability comes from developing the body as one integrated system rather than a collection of individual muscles. So an iron body isn't defined by appearance, but by capability. It's a body can all do force generation and absorption, perform clean movement, and remain resilient under a wide variety of physical demands. That's why the concept has remained central to Shaolin training for centuries. Train every physical quality together, and strength becomes only one part of a body that's prepared for almost anything. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next one, and warrior salute.